Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. I hope you enjoyed this COVID holiday break. May Almighty Allah put end to it within short period of time. So in order not to waste much of our time and engage during this holiday, I would like to continue with biology. So today's topic is the cellular respiration. What is respiration? This is the process of chemical breaking down of food in the presence of oxygen to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Types of cellular respiration. There are two main types of cellular respiration, which are aerobic and anaerobic respiration. One, aerobic respiration. This is a type of respiration that involves the use of oxygen to completely oxidize glucose to generate large amounts of energy. Two, anaerobic respiration. This is a type of respiration that occurs in the presence of little oxygen or absence of oxygen to convert glucose to organic acid with the production of little amount of energy. Stages of cellular respiration. Two stages are involved, namely glycolysis and Krebs cycle. One, glycolysis. This is the enzymatic breaking down of a glucose to release little amounts of energy and pyruvic acid. It takes place in the cytoplasm in the absence of oxygen. Here, a molecule of glucose is phosphorylated with a high phosphate compound, adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. The phosphorylated glucose is catalyzed by a series of respiratory enzymes to produce two molecules of pyruvic acid, carbon dioxide, with little amount of energy. The pyruvic acid, which is the end product of glycolysis in both plants and animals. In the absence of oxygen, it will form ethanol in plants and lactic acid in animals. Ethanol formed in plants responsible for the fermentation of foods, while lactic acid formation in animals causes muscle fatigue due to incomplete oxidation of glucose. 2. Krebs cycle. This is the stage in which the end product of glycolysis, that is pyruvic acid, produces large amounts of energy in the presence of oxygen. It occurs in the mitochondria, that is the powerhouse of the cell. Here, a molecule of glucose, that is from glycolysis to Krebs cycles, undergoes series of enzymatic reactions to produce series of intermediate products such as pyruvic acid, citric acid, succinic acid, oxaloacetic acid, etc. Here, a molecule of glucose undergoes cellular respiration to generate 38 ATPs, carbon dioxide, and water. So the glycolysis pathway and Krebs cycle are already stated for you when you are in SS1, and then you can also contact your textbook to check the glycolysis pathway. So the assignment on this topic will be soon forwarded to you through the same channel that used to get your assignment. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Mo fẹ́ pause.